Hi, my name is Susie, and in this video I would like to talk about how to use Deuterium Aqua. By drinking this water, our goal is to reduce the deuterium level of our body. So let's see what is the right way to drink deuterium depleted water. Our body mostly consists of water, which is about 60–65%. In my case, since I'm 60 kilograms, this means 36–38 liter water. The main components of water are hydrogen and oxygen. Deuterium is one of the isotopes of hydrogen, so where there is hydrogen, there's deuterium as well. Based on these, my body has a stable deuterium level. I've made a decision to reduce the deuterium level of my body, and I try to keep the achieved level. I drink 2–2.5 liters water daily, which is about 70–90 ounces. I started to drink this water with a full fluid exchange, which means I only drink this water. My daily water intake, which is about 2 liters, mixes with my body's water, and the deuterium level of my body reduces by 0.8 to 1.2% every day. I can achieve my goals in 2 months, which means to reduce the deuterium level of my body to the number indicated on the bottle. For example, if I drink Deuterium Aqua 85 for 2–2.5 months, I can reduce my body's deuterium level to 90–95 ppm, which is a 60% reduction. So let me tell a few words about the results achieved. If you are drinking the water for 2–3 months, the deuterium level of our body will be decreased. During this period, if you are drinking tap water or any mineral water, the deuterium level of our body will return to the starting level, which is about 150 ppm. I also conducted this journey and it lasted for 4 months. I try to keep this deuterium level so 50–60% of my daily water intake is deuterium depleted water. I'll also tell you my own experiences with this water in another video. I hope I could give you some useful information about how to use deuterium depleted water. Thank you for your attention.